So the academic scholarship is awarded initially to pupils in Year 7 who perform exceptionally well in our entrance tests and also show certain aptitudes when they're being interviewed as part of the entrance process. Once they have the academic scholarship, that stays with them throughout the year and also throughout their time at Luckley House School. There are certain requirements that they need to meet in order to maintain that scholarship, but the hope is that as they go through the school, they will then choose a particular area in which to specialise their scholarship in. So for example, we might have a maths scholar or an English scholar or a science scholar or a history scholar, but in the first 2 years they are general academic scholars.
Sports scholarships are available for pupils in Year 7, 9 and 6th form. Our Year 7 and 9s, they take part in an assessment day. As part of that assessment day, they will be asked to provide their sporting CV. When they first come in, they will take part in some group tasks where they'll be asked, what should a sports scholar look like? What skills and attributes should they have? They'll then take part in some fitness testing and some other activities to put them outside their comfort zone to see how they act. In the afternoon, they'll then have an interview to talk through their CV with the sports captain and also myself or one of my members of staff. In the afternoon, the pupils will then have the opportunity to showcase their own sports and skills as well as their interview. Sixth form scholarships, we ask them to provide an article which they would like to talk about. As part of that, there'll be an interview process with myself or one of my team where we'll ask them about what they're going to do for Luckley Sport, how they're going to take it forward and what makes them worthwhile of being our sports scholar. The ambition for our sports scholars are to be our future sports captains, be role models in their year group, leaders in their year group, and be a genuine all-rounder.
You can apply for a drama scholarship at Luckley House School in Year 7, Year 9 and in the 6th form. And this process starts in November with your application and then you'll be invited in for a day in January. We will do a workshop with the candidates and then I'll ask you to perform a monologue of your choice. These monologues can be one Shakespearean and a contemporary one, and it is up to you to show you at your best. So choose something that you feel comfortable with, try and choose a character with an age that is close to your own and with something that you feel passionate about that best shows your strengths. I will then enjoy watching your performance and give you a little bit of feedback, and then we'll have a little chat about how you feel about drama. I will ask you what you've seen at the theatre, what you like to watch, what your interests are, and we'll just have a conversation about theatre in general. In terms of becoming a drama scholar, we expect you to become involved in all aspects of drama at Luckley. So obviously we'd expect to see you in all of our shows, the Junior Drama Club performance, our whole school musical. We do lots and lots of performances throughout the year. I would expect to be able to rely on you to take tours around if we had people who were particularly interested in drama. And in return, obviously, we do provide extra opportunities for our scholars. We have scholar evenings where we ask you to prepare monologues and perform these for parents and invited audience members. It may be that you have already been doing Trinity or Lambda examinations privately. If so, this is fantastic and is something that you could continue here at Luckley. We have a thriving speech and drama department and we are often putting on shows to showcase all of these performances. So, if you think a drama scholarship could be for you, please do apply. I look forward to seeing all of your pieces soon and having a conversation with you about theatre in general.
Here at Luckley we have a main music scholarship, plus we also have a scholarship for performing arts for those who are singers and also talented drama. The scholarships start at Year 7, the requirement is grade 3 minimum. We also have a scholarship at Year 9, which is grade 5 minimum, and then the 6th form, grade 6 and above. This can be on one or more instruments. Expectations of our scholars, of course, are that they are fully involved in the musical life of the school, ensembles, performing in concerts, and generally a role model for our school and our music department.
Hi there. So with regards to scholarships at Luckley House Art Department, we offer scholars the opportunity to apply for a scholarship in year 7, 9 and also the 6th form. The qualities that we're really looking for in a scholar is exceptional quality of work and a really high skill set. As a scholar, you are almost like, you know, a flagship for our department, and for other students you're an example, and your work is something that other students would hopefully aspire to be as good as. What we expect from you as scholars, other than the skill set, is sort of real commitment to the subject, a real desire to want to learn, to want to work in the art department, to better yourself and to essentially become better artists and photographers. We offer scholarships in art and in photography. So as a scholar, what you can expect from us is that we will be involved in all of our events and initiatives that we run in the art department, and the open days and the taster sessions, any sort of art workshop days that we're running, or all-day activities. You can expect to be involved in those. We will have a program of visiting lecturers and artists that come in. For example, we've had the Royal Academy come in before to do life drawing days, and we've got guest lecturers from London that come in. So you can expect to be involved in those sessions, and also with competitions. We'd be looking to you as one of the first students to get involved in those competitions, and also to try and promote those competitions. But as a scholar, you know, you're warmly invited to take part in those. And finally, as a scholar, you can expect that from us as an art department, we will be pushing your work and promoting your work within the school community, and also within the wider community outside of school.